Hey guys, I'm Saurav Ray, better known as Gravero. I'm a music producer and a content creator, and welcome to the Gigabyte Auras Masterclass. In this series, I'm gonna teach you how to make a lo-fi music in very easy steps, and I'm sure कि आप भी इन्हीं steps को follow करके lo-fi music बना सकते हो और अपना YouTube channel चालू कर सकते हो. Starting from how to make lo-fi music to how to make a music video for your track. So let's jump into it and let's start exploring. As a musician, मेरे को अपना voice frequently record और edit करने का होता है. So the sound output of the system is very important. With Auras Audio X570 Pro motherboard, जो embedded है with ALC1220 chip, जो कि automatically आपके headphone के impedance को detect कर लेता है, जिससे issues like low volume and distortion आसानी से prevent हो जाता है. With WIMA hi-fi capacitors, which provides a rich sound in the bass and clearer high frequencies. For singers, musicians like me are good to record your own voice. For normal end users जिनके पास professional hardware नहीं है और जिनके पास audio interface नहीं है, and they still want to try out DIY music by their computer, X570 Auras Pro motherboard is a perfect option for you all. Before starting the project, let's talk about what is lo-fi music and how it got popular all around the world, especially in India.
Lo-fi stands for low fidelity as a music or production quality in which elements usually regarded as imperfections of a recording or performance are audible, sometimes as a deliberate aesthetic choice. The standards of sound quality, which is fidelity, and music production have evolved throughout the decades, meaning that some older examples of lo-fi may not have been originally recognized as such. Lo-fi began to be recognized as style of popular music in 1990s when it became alternately referred to as a DIY music.
But how did lo-fi get popular and how does it become mainstream in India? So basically lo-fi लोग तब सुनना चाहते हैं जब वो थके हुए हो या जब लोगों को बहुत ही ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट गाना सुनना हो. Lo-fi music बहुत रिलैक्सिंग होता है because it includes ambience, ethnicity, soft beats. YouTube channels like Chilled Cow, now known as Lo-Fi Girl, Chill Hop Music, The Bootleg Boy and बहुत सारे ऐसे channels हैं जिन्होंने lo-fi को on a huge scale promote किया. इंडिया में lo-fi popular हुआ when pandemic COVID-19 started. Suddenly people wanted something soothing and calm because obviously तुम घर पर हमेशा EDM नहीं सुन सकते. Many producers came up with the idea Bollywood lo-fi, where you can use Bollywood songs with some calm and soothing lo-fi beats. From here I'll be talking about what I have planned and the instruments I'll be using for this project. We'll be discussing the samples and all the stuffs we'll be doing. Before making anything, first we really need to understand these 7 stages. Arranging the project is something you really need to understand. Before showing the project, I'll suggest कि आप अपने DAW, which is Digital Audio Workstations को एकदम अच्छे से स्टडी कीजिए और एकदम अच्छे से जानिए. So I use FL Studio most of the time and इसकी जो UI है वो बहुत ही बढ़िया है. So upcoming और beginner producers के लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा easy रहने वाला है उनके लिए समझने के लिए, जिससे आप अपने tracks को काफ़ी easily बना सकते हो. So this is the overview of my project. It's just a very basic project जिससे कि आपको समझ में आए. So this is the chords, this is the bass, this is the keys, synthesizers and all, you know. This is the plugs and ये सारी beats है, and this is some ambience I will be talking about later. So for making Bollywood lo-fi, producers दो ways आते हैं. या तो producers दूसरे cover artists को approach करेंगे to make them sing the same song, or you can just extract the vocals by using these websites. So I recommend voiceremover.org and splitter.ai. These are the two websites which I use very often. It's just very easy to use. You just have to drag and drop the vocals in the interface, and that's it. It's just gonna give you the clean extracted vocals.
नहीं नहीं है ये बातें वही, फिर इस मोड़ पर हम मिले हैं, न जाने अब मिलेंगे हम कभी, तो रुक जाओ एक पल यहाँ पे। ये नर्म चादरों की सिलवटें तुझे अभी बुला रही हैं, न जाओ दूर इनसे, कहे ये सुकून कहाँ पे है हासिल दिल को मेरे।
बॉलीवुड लोफाई में बहुत सारे इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स हैं जो आप यूज कर सकते हो। मैंने भी बहुत यूज करे हैं, जैसे कीज, सिंथ्स, बेस, गिटार्स, फ्लूट्स एक्सेट्रा। कभी कभी या तो मैं खुद VST प्लगइन से बना देता हूँ, or else I ask my talented musicians friends to record it for me. अभी मैं आपको कुछ इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स दिखाने वाला हूँ जो मैं खुद VST के अंदर बना के यूज कर लेता हूँ, which is basically keys, synths, bass, etc. So making beats for lo-fi is very simple and minimal. Beats is one of the important part in every tracks. Obviously आपको पता होगा. And for Bollywood lo-fi, the beat should be very top-notch, minimal and clean. So here's the beat जो मैंने इस गाने के लिए बनाया है, and I really want you to check this out. Ambience basically आपके ट्रैक का मोड सेट करता है. Ambient sounds like tonal voice, wind crackle, rain, wind and all types of natural sounds are being used in lo-fi music. And it's my favorite thing in entire track because it gives warmth and ये पूरे ट्रैक पे कलर लाता है. Okay, so this is the part you can never neglect or you can never compromise with it. Mixing is basically जो आप अपने ट्रैक्स के वॉल्यूम्स को लेवल करते हो या EQ से सुधारते हो. बहुत सारे प्रोसेसेस होते हैं. Okay, so I'll be explain the mixing process of Bollywood lo-fi in next tutorial जो Gigabyte Aorus के चैनल में जल्दी आने वाला है. For now, let's check it out what is mixing and how does it help to your track.
Audio mixing is the process of taking recorded tracks and blending them together. Tracks are blended using various processes such as EQ, compression, and reverb. The goal of mixing is to bring out the best in your multi-track recording by adjusting levels, panning, and time-based audio effects such as chorus, reverb, and delay.
Okay, so now let me tell you why X570 Aorus Pro is a perfect motherboard for your project. बहुत जन को पता होगा the audio input of your PC is not that great. So the X570 Aorus Pro motherboard में है smart headphone amp जिससे the loudness will be very subtle and you can mix the tracks in a very clear way. So rendering is the final step of any project. So basically मैं render करता हूँ wave format में because वेव फाइल सबसे ज़्यादा क्वालिटी देता है. बट बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं जो MP3 में भी रेंडर करते हैं, विच इज़ फाइन. लाइक इट्स अ वेरी कंपैटिबल फॉर्मेट जो हर डिवाइसेस में चल जाता है कोई, एंड जब भी कोई MP3 रेंडर करता है, मेक श्योर द बिट्रेट शुड बी मोर देन 320 kbps. So yeah, that's it. तो मैंने तुम्हें ये पूरे वीडियो पे ये सिखाया है कि what is lo-fi, what is Bollywood lo-fi, how the Bollywood lo-fi generated, and what is the steps behind making any Bollywood lo-fi songs. So in the next tutorial video, I'll be teaching you how to make an entire Bollywood lo-fi track from scratch. और उसके बाद वाले tutorial में I'll be teaching you how to make a video for your lo-fi track. So thank you so much Gigabyte Aurus for giving me this opportunity to make this tutorial possible. So yeah, this is our Gravero signing off. See you in the next episode. Until then, peace.